Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Well, Shibadoge have actually gained about $7 million in the past 4 days. $7 million more has been added on the market cap of Shibadoge. Shibadoge, this period is really increasing in price. We have never seen Shibadoge gain this massive increase on market cap, and in fact, since Shibadoge started, this January is the biggest month. Shibadoge have gained a lot of people pumping in money, some wealth, a lot of investors pumping in money. Now, Shibadoge market cap is heading towards hitting almost $40 million, and very soon the market cap will be hitting about $15 million. This is a coin that was just trading with a 5 to 6 million market cap as of last month, December. So you can see this year, so many changes is already coming. So many things will going to happen in crypto industry. People will be surprised. There will be a lot of surprises this year. And in fact, the truth is, every year we always see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or coins that always pump. You have to see 1 or 2 coins that will really pump. Now, Shiba Inu dominated the late 2020 and 2021, and then last year we also saw some other coin coming up also dominating the industry. Coin was there. So I believe this 2023 Shibadoge is going to become one of the biggest coins if the developers will keep on doing their homework. Remember, right now they've gained over $20 million cap this January alone, and I believe this is going to continue, and let's hope to see the best comes out for Shibadoge. Let's hope this year this coin might be hitting between 10,000 to 100,000%. Anything can happen. Of course, Shiba Inu gain millions within the space of months. So I'm happy to see this coin gaining about $7 million market cap within the space of 4 days. Remember, let's keep hoping to see the price bump. And in case you want to buy, invest what you can afford to lose. This is crypto industry where anything can happen. Also remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.